Hey everyone, welcome back to Madras Academy. Today we're building a simple but smart project. A high obstacle detector using an ultrasonic sensor, an LED, and a buzzer. This is perfect for safety alerts and obstacle sensing robots. Let's look at the components we need. Arduino Uno or Mega HCSR04 ultrasonic sensor, 1 LED, 1 buzzer, 220 ohm resistor, jumper wires, breadboard. Now let's connect the circuit. First, the ultrasonic sensor, VCC to 5 volts, GND to GND, trig to pin 7, echo to pin 6. Next, LED. Connect the positive to pin 5, negative to GND with 220 ohm resistor, buzzer positive to pin 4, negative to GND. Now let's do the physical connection. Here is the montage. How was it? If it is cool, give a like. Now let's go to the coding part. This is a simple code. In this code, we read the ultrasonic sensor and calculate the distance using the formula. Time times 0.01723. If something is closer than 20 centimeters, we turn on the LED and buzzer. If it's farther, we turn them off. Now let's upload the code. Bring your hand closer. The LED lights up and the buzzer sounds. Move away, both turn off. Simple and effective. This type of setup can be used in smart parking systems, proximity alarms, obstacle avoiding robots, entry sensors. Thanks for watching. If you like this project, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Madras Academy for more exciting Arduino builds. Comment below if you have any questions or project ideas. See you in the next one.